Hello there. Getting ready for my new video? Today's video is really cool. Shall we begin? For that project I will use ESP32 board plus 4 weight sensors and weighing module. On the following pictures you can see the progress of replacing factory weight sensors with new ones. Initially all parts are disassembled and in few scenes is shown the progress of assembling new weight sensors and cables to scale base and connecting them to weighing module. Finally connecting it to the ESP32 board. If you keep watching the video, in few moments I will connect the scale to the internet. Connecting to Blynk application I will monitor the scale. Just open the app and create new project. My project is named IoT Weight Scale. Then have to choose the hardware device and the connection type. By pressing the creation button I will receive authorization token on my email. That token I will set to the code together with my router name and my password. You can find the same code in the description below. After the code is uploaded, serial monitor will show the connection process. Now I am going back to Blynk application. Adding different widgets will show you how the scale works. All widgets acquire data value from virtual pin 16, which one number is set in the code. It can be found in description. An additional widget in Blynk got the opportunity to save data for a long period. It's called Life Chart. Via this option you can observe measured weight in real time, also for certain period of time, for example to make statistic for last week, last month and etc. This is how to do internet scale. What do you think? Give me comments below. So now subscribe the channel. Smash the like button. For next video I am preparing internet energy meter. See you soon.